Alright, I'm guessing this is not a stock carburetor. Not sure what this guy goes to. Airline of some sorts. Distributor definitely looks a little wonky. I'm guessing that's the this lower section here is probably the governor assembly for the distributor. I think I can get it running. It's just leaking gas here out of the accelerator pump. I guess I'll have to get the carb off, get an idea on that. Looks like maybe the bulkhead connector, all the main wiring here burned up or something. I don't know. It looks like they just got wiring kind of sitting in some tube there. And what's this guy? Looks like some kind of air valve on the thermostat housing. No idea. Guessing something for the... Don't honestly know. Guessing an adjustable thermostat, or is this maybe... Oh, I bet I know what it is. Here. Oh, an automatic close the radiator flap here. I've seen worse wiring. Shouldn't be too bad to clean up. Only 4,800 miles. 700 hours on the hour meter. These just warning buzzers maybe. Heater control, temperature control, fan. I think this is for defrost. Actually got a washer pump on it. That's surprising. What's this guy? Is this the 2-speed axle? Diff lock, maybe? I think this says diff lock. Not sure. Tours have seen some better days, but that's easy enough to patch. This side's definitely working. Easy enough to patch. It's all solid out here. Any guesses on what kind of rear end we got here? I'll have to do some digging. See how to ID these. I have no idea. And that's the 2-speed unit on the front there. Tires look like they're in fairly good shape. Some T-Hawk 373s. So that's kind of cool. Backup bell.